Want to know how to measure your code execution time in milliseconds? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. So we have right now used a really simple code right here in order to measure our for execution. So we have used a for loop first up, and before you code, make sure you use this third line code right here, that is long start equals to System.currentTimeMillis. So once that is done, it runs long end equals to System.currentTimeMillis. Then just print end start. That's a total execution time in milliseconds. It's perfect for testing performance, optimizing loops, or comparing algorithms. Quick, accurate, and super useful. Now can time your code like a pro in Java. And that's it. You can just simply run this code to check it, and super simple and easy. There you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.